Hey guys, you shouldn't be, we accidentally.
Did you already add cheese in there?
No.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Okay, let's go. Head it down. Oh.
Look at it.
Look.
What is that?
It's exploded.
Alright guys, I accidentally didn't start the video. That's my fault, guys. So it is gonna be a short video for us. It's probably gonna be like 13 minutes of a video. Maybe like 14 or 15, I don't know. Get that oak over here. Yeah, get all of it, get all of it.
It's still weak.
Now chop it up. Flip it over. Yeah, just flip some over if you can. Yeah, there you go. Then chop it up again. No. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Man, you need to learn how to, like, you know, like, move it around. There you go.
I'm gonna get that yolk piece to get cooked.
Come here, boy. Well, chop that up right there.
I thought you said you better start school. I thought she was about to say that.
Yeah, me too. I thought she was about to say we gotta start school at 6 or something. Cause you know the time at 6. But usually at middle school,
I really don't care.
They start school at 8 or 7.
I really don't care. I just want to see my new teacher. I forgot I was going to fourth grade.
Bro, I'm so glad my teacher's online. We're online doing it. No, don't serve it yet. You didn't chop them up all the way. Yeah, just chop them up all the way, please.
I don't like the burnt part on the brown thing.
Phil, you know I gotta eat too, right?
I know that.
Don't get mad now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Thank you. Alright. This video is,
I should make me a croissant with some egg and put it in there. What?
That's a little too much.
And it's too much of the biscuit and
Nugget in the biscuit. Nugget biscuit. Nugget in the biscuit.
so annoying.
Y'all remember that plushie club video?
Oh, I like
No
that.
eating, no drinking.
Stop!
That was funny.
I'm the one who made it.
Yeah, I know. Go see that video. That was funny, guys. That video was funny. My sister and me kept on laughing at that part. They're like, no drinking, no eating, no
No kids allowed.
no kids allowed.
And eat somewhere else, not in my room. The booth is in the kitchen, so go cook whatever you want to eat.
Don't boys.
What if the sausages just cook in the pack? What if they just cook in the pack?
And then you just warm it up in the microwave for 30 seconds.
Yeah.
That'll be funny.
It'll be better.
And, yeah.
Make the eggs get cold.
And then if the egg,
Don't cook.
get every last egg.
This
Not the scratchy eggs. You know, the skin off the, yeah. Don't get those.
That's my plate.
I know. Ooh. Let me check that plate before I see it. Don't give me those, skin plates. I mean, skin, well. Look at those eggs.
Oh.
So juicy. I'm juicy.
We're gonna have to have a fruit now. Okay, so this is all the key thing you can eat. You can have a fruit, or you can have a strudel.
Strudel.
How about some pancakes? Or some strawberry waffles to go with it. Always
Did you say strawberry? Just get the strawberry. What? Was that noise? Hey guys, and we're back. And look at that salsa.
Oh yeah, the eggs are over there. So. Let me go ahead and cook up these strudels.
Put it face up.
Do you want any salsa?
Nah, man. I didn't even use them. Why are we not even using any?
I don't know.
For the pancakes, probably?
But I want some whipped cream. Finish off the sour. How the heck are you doing that?
I don't want no whipped cream on my strawberries. I don't even like whipped cream.
For me. But I haven't made no plums.
Bro, I don't even like whipped cream cake. Sometimes I think it's vanilla, but it's whipped cream. It's not vanilla though. It's not. You know what I'm trying to say. Oh God.
Yeah, go ahead and cook up them sausages.
It's steaming hot over there.
Oh, that's a skinny bean.
Here you go.
That's a skinny bean.
Yeah, it is.
Dang, why is it so skinny? I can't even pick it up. It's a skinny.
Yup.
Oh, look at the skinny.
You saw that.
It's a skinny bean.
Burnt.
I might add sauce to mine.
Woo.
Yeah,
Burnt.
So how many strudels do you
Oh.
Oh. I would slap you. Did you make it?
Yeah.
Let me get you. So wait. You flipped it and then you got it on the thing.
Ooh.
Cause you're a professional fish. Call me professional fish. You're professional. I just look like because you just be flipping squats. Hey, don't try that. Don't try this at home, y'all. Don't ever try this at home. What if you just flipped it up and it all just landed on the plate?
Yeah, that would be like a SpongeBob thing.
Oh my God, they're all skinny beans. They're all skinny beans. What are they doing?
Not skinny beans.
They're all skinny beans. One is thicker like a Snicker. Hang like shit. Ew, bro. Oh. Man, shut up.
No, it's fine.
No, for real, I don't eat that.
Yeah, pain.
No, you can have the skinny bean.
No, it's fine.
You finna make me thought, y'all.
It's
Don't
fine.
you ever try this at home.
It's fine, Michaela. At least there's no.
He don't pick up a sausage.
No. There's nothing in there. Like literally. There's nothing disgusting in there, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You lost my appetite. You're gonna make me laugh.
I'm sorry, Michaela. But guys, there's nothing nasty in there. It just landed on the top. Look, guys. It landed on the top.
Sausage.
It landed on the top of this.
Then it flopped it.
And then
I picked it up, put it on the plate. No, at first it was right there. And I'm like, ugh.
at least it didn't go. At least it didn't go like right there or right there.
Yeah, because
it went right there. It went right there.
It didn't. Thank you, apple juice. They saved the life.
Apple juice saved the life.
Oh, I should try something new with it. Just doodle it.
What?
Some kind of strawberry.
Really? Strawberries?
Just some, dang.
I'm not eating that. No. Don't you dare add that to my plate.
Good.
Or in my strudel. For a backstab your strudel. And yes, we'll be using knives. You know,
Won't be using this.
Mikhail, did you know you can use a straw to get out the thingy thing?
What?
This thing.
You know we're eating worms if you eat strawberries, right?
I don't eat strawberries.
Well, if you eat that, planning on eating.
I mean, yeah, I do eat strawberries.
Because if you had water, seasoning, salt, whatever type of salt, and you had
I'm using a knife on my
little black
sausages.
little bugs would come out of it. That's
Don't
what-
even tell me. The viewer's gonna
Oh,
take like boy. Toy. Ew. Alright guys, and today's school, guys. You remember what I said last week on Saturday? Like 2 days ago, I think? Yeah, 2 days ago. It's gonna be the worst week. That's what I said last week. I said it's gonna be the worst week. And I'm like, wow, it's I'm so mad, man. If y'all have school today or tomorrow, I mean, like, if y'all have school,
They had school yesterday.
did she have school like last week on the 1st? On August 1st?
No, because she already got her school support. I think she had a school today. Like, I don't know, but oh yeah.
Oh
She's
yeah.
having school because I'm supposed to go over to auntie house today.
Oh yeah. Oh. Wait, what? I thought you were supposed to go on Thursday
No,
or something.
after schoolwork and stuff. Like we could just play and not spend the night.
Bro, I can't.
We can't spend the night anymore at her house. I mean, we can, because we got school. We don't want to miss school.
Dang, we can just get up early. Dang. It's not no problem. Dang. See, that's why I hate school, man.
Oh.
Even my dad hates school. You know why? Because it wastes your time.
Now you want to start speaking like that.
No. I've been speaking like that. What if you poured that? Yep. What?
He scared me. Come on, bud.
Get the cranberry. You want cranberry? I remember.
I don't want a cranberry. What's Sprite?
Wasteful.
You want some Sprite cranberry?
Yeah. Yeah.
Come on. Oh, there you go.
Tried to pour it like that.
Oh.
Too much chocolate, boy.
Touch.
Ew, it's gonna be disgusting. Disgusting. Nah, because it's chocolate.
Chocolate doesn't do anything.
I mean, chocolate syrup is nasty though.
This is dark chocolate. So, time to add some sprinklies. Comment down below what should I use next for my Oreo ice cream. We got white, we got pink, we got blue, we got that yellow.
You got that
which is
unicorn
use.
colors.
Yeah. We got that royal purple, which is, I do not like the color. We got that
Lucky green.
And yeah, show them my dessert. What color should I use? Comment, but I'm going to pick me
We can't record while we eat, so, because we got age restricted.
I mean, Corey didn't show us. Corey Kitchen didn't show us he ate. All he ate was just one thing.
Ah, it's hot. Dang.
Why is it hot?
Probably because it was laying on the sausage. Dang, sausages.
Well, I'm gonna add some yellow.
Man, that's a sweet for you. You about to get crunked up for school. Bro, the first day of 5th grade, man.
First day of 2nd grade was okay. I really don't care. But don't teach us.
Wait, 7th grade?
I said 2nd grade. 2nd grade.
Oh, it sounded like you said 7th. Comment down below if you hate school.
I don't hate school. The thing I hate about it is when teachers get on my nerves.
No, the thing I hate about it is because we waste time. And we gotta go sleep quicker.
Yo, look at us.
Because, like, if
I'm so
you...
happy we woke up because I really don't wake it up until 5.
Like, I'm so glad we woke up at 3, but we still don't have time. Because 6, time for school.
Yeah. I feel like going back to Flash shows though.
Yeah. I miss Flash shows,
Me too.
actually.
I don't want to leave that school. We can't be like our mom and dad. Going to the same exact school.
Yeah, they went to the same school.
We went to the school that mom and probably Uncle T dad.
Bye, guys.